This is the reading video. So make sure before you get to this video, you have learned the meanings of the new words and you have written in the booklets. And then you are here now, okay? Okay, so this week we have a super interesting genre. It's not like any genre we've had before, because the genres we've had before were usually just a text and we would just read it. This week's genre, myth or drama, is not just about reading it. It's about performance or a play or having a role play. Now you're going to understand how. So the story we're reading in the anthology this week, King Midas and the Golden Touch, it's a myth and a drama or a play. Now you know what a role play is, right? Usually we have actors who would act as characters and they would get on stage and they will be acting the whole story. A myth tells how something came to be. A myth tells you a story of how something started in the world or how something began, okay? A drama tells a story through dialogue and is performed. So keep it in mind. If you read a drama, that means it has dialogue or it has people talking, characters talking, and it is usually performed. You can't just read it. You have to act it. It has to be performed. There has to be people on stage acting the story. It is separated into scenes. A drama has scenes or parts. So usually you would see in a drama, scene 1, that's part 1, and then scene 2, that's part 2, and so on and so forth. And it has stage directions. What are scenes, stage directions, and dialogues? Let's talk about them in detail, okay? A scene is a part of a play. Scenes tell the story in time order. So we already said that. A scene is a part. And in the same story, different scenes can take place in different places. For example, if I have a drama, The Little Red Riding Hood, one scene could take place in the forest. The other scene would take place in grandma's house. That's just an example. Now, what are stage directions? Stage directions tell what the characters do and how they move. So usually you would see the stage directions within the drama itself like this. It will have a different font or sometimes it will be written in parentheses. These ones are not part of the story, the stage directions. They just tell the actors what they should be doing when they are performing the drama. Okay? We will see more of this when we read the story. And a dialogue is the words the characters speak. So, of course, there are characters in a drama. So that means characters will have to be talking to each other. So that talking to each other, we call it the dialogue.